Peel and stick. Peel and stick wall covering for most people is a nightmare. Well, I'm here to show you that it's actually fun. Take a look at the peel and stick project we're doing today. Come in close, and underneath the peel and stick product, I have tables set up so that I can show myself that the pattern meets and I don't have any issues with the overall layout. Let's take a look. So you can see here that we laid it out to make sure that our pattern meets, okay? We go from one sheet. These are all numbered, by the way. Number 1, 2, 3. We're checking for pattern match, and 4. One of the basic requirements of you as an installer or do-it-yourselfer is to make sure that your product is not damaged and that there was no difference in lot number of the panels that you received. It's a terrible thing when you got this thing delivered to your house a month ago, your walls are prepped, Christmas is coming, you're ready to install it, and the first 2 panels are from lot 380, and these are from lot 400. Happens more often than you think. So we know that the pattern is good. Let's take you over to the wall. The wall that we're hanging this on is in a bathroom. So I'm just going to go over the wall using this as an example. We just prepped these walls to receive a different wall covering. But I want to show you what we did. Come on over. This had a moderate level orange peel texture. And if you know anything about peel and stick will not adhere to most textures. In fact, there's a disclaimer on every peel and stick product I've seen. This product is not intended to go over textured walls. And so come in close and show the folks at home the smoothness. Now, I'm very impressed with my guys because this is actually very good for 2 coats that quickly went on. Show them on an angle how smooth this is. This is what you want. That's what you want. And if you just move the camera, they'll see the smoothness of it. As opposed to this wall, this is what you don't want. If you could just go from here where I'm standing and that way. Exactly, I can see right in the camera. That's what we were dealing with before we skim coated. And that is the type of texture peel and stick won't adhere to. So what do you do to the walls? There's one last thing. After you install your skim coat, here's what I want you to use. This product is by far one of the most widely used products today by people in the hotel industry. The folks who hang the most wallpaper today commercially is hotels. Would you agree? Every job I go on in a hotel, the general contractor has this product on site. If not this one exactly, its sister product, because it's well known in the wallpaper business to do the job and to create the least amount of trouble after installation, such as the bubble problem. So, after this joint compound is dry, what we are going to do is to roll that on just like you would paint. Not only is it going to make the wall covering stick well, you see these highs? Now that's flat, but what that is filled in. That's a high, but it's dark. With this peel and stick, most of the peel and stick products are so thin, if you have a light colored peel and stick, that color will show through. The product that I'm using from Roman will cover this over because it's pigmented and give it a white color. There you have it. That's how you do your layout with the peel and stick, and that's how you prepare your walls. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we go about the process of hanging peel and stick. And it's not the nightmare that you may have thought it was. Join me on the next video as I show you how to hang your first sheet of peel and stick. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.